Usap-usapan ang blind item na inilathala ng social media page na Inside the Metro noong January 6, 2026, patungkol sa isang sikat na power couple na umano'y tila perfect ang relasyon sa mata ng publiko, subalit ang katotohanan daw, malapit na raw mauwi sa hiwalayan dahil sa umano'y side chicks ng male celebrity na hindi naman lingid sa female celebrity. Mababasa sa titulo ng blind item, "Is this the end of a power couple's fairy tale?" Narito naman ang buong blind item, published as is, "From the outside, they are the definition of perfection, a showbiz power couple admire for their looks, flawless image, and undeniable success in their respective fields. Red carpets, brand deals, and carefully curated smiles have convinced the public that they have it all. But behind closed doors, the fairy tale cracks. Industry whispers reveal that the husband, known for his charm and squeaky clean reputation, allegedly lives a double life. While projecting the image of a devoted partner, he is said to be juggling multiple women, quietly, repeatedly, and recklessly. The most heartbreaking part. Insiders claim the wife has been blindsided more times than she can count. There were moments when the pain became too heavy to hide. One particularly raw episode allegedly unfolding in a hotel lobby, where she broke down in tears in front of close friends. Her misery spilling out far from the cameras meant to protect their perfect image. Kamakailan lang, ibinahagi ni Kapuso Primetime King at Family Feud Philippines TV host Dingdong Dantes, ang larawan ng pagwo-workout nila ng misis na si Kapuso Primetime Queen Marian Rivera, na aniya, ay pangalawang araw na nila sa pagpasok ng 2026. Ibinida ni Dingdong na kahit pawisan si Marian, fresh na fresh pa rin ang misis niya, bagay na hindi naman mapabubulaanan dahil talaga namang alam na alam naman ito ng mga netizen simulat sa poll. Day 2 ng kanyang workout for 2026 at fresh pa rin, caption ni Dingdong, na nakatagpa kay Marian. "A couple that workouts together, stays together." Komento ng mga netizens, "Sana all sabay mag-workout. Iba talaga basta primetime queen lalong gumaganda at sumisexy. Mapapasana all na lang sa daalwa hanggang dulo." Habang todo puri naman ang marami sa couple, hindi naman maiwasan ng iba na uriraten ang mag-asawa tungkol sa isang viral na blind item. Dahil ang sinasabing blind item, ay tila sina Dingdong at Marian umano ito. May mga nag-usisa sa kanilang dalawa, at may mga nagsabi namang patunay ang latest post ni Dingdong na hindi totoong sila ang tinutukoy ng blind item, o sila ang dapat na lumutang sa mga espekulasyon ng mga intrigerang marites na netizens.